Yeehaw! Another segment for Pappy's Corner coming up.
Okay, today I'm going to show you how to change the vapor pad or the humidifier pad that goes in your humidifier alongside your furnace here. It's mounted on your cold air return and it's pretty simple to do. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that. Now, first you got to take out the old pad. So if you disconnect this hose, this drain hose, first you want to shut off your furnace so you don't have water running through your humidifier, which I've already done. Disconnect your drain hose. There's two knobs under here. I'll unscrew those. And there's the pad, the old pad right there. So I'm going to take it out and I'll put the new one in as soon as I open it up and screw it back up in there. It's that simple. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the new pad. There we go. See, the old one here is pretty corroded. It says bottom right there. So that means this would be the bottom. So that'll make it a little easier because at recess, this will go into that recess that's up above. So we'll go ahead and put it in. Alright, well, make sure you have your nuts because without your nuts you won't get it in. If it goes up in there, then you know you've got it seated up in there. So go ahead, put on the two nuts, put the hose back on, and we're ready to go. Turn the furnace back on. And these you can just finger tighten them. And the drain hose. There we go, ready to go. So there you have it. How to replace the humidifier pad or the vapor pad in a humidifier. And remember, do something nice for someone today. Love you.